My name's Tyler Dills. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing, and I'm a lead tech. I always heard it was a good place to work, and I thought I'd just try it out. I needed stability and something to support my family. Before here, I worked for American Foundation. We done foundation work, waterproofing, and all kinds of other things, but foundation was the main topic of the job. I like Pipe Wrench because we do something different every day, and it's never the same thing every day, where it's always something different. I've got 3 kids, I've got a wife, and summertime we like going to the lake, and we got a RZR that we take up to Windrock and we go ride all the time, but that's what my life consists of.